For this video, I am going to teach you how you can change your mailing address in Mailchimp. So the process is fairly simple. The first thing that you need to do is to obviously go to mailchimp.com and then just log in into your account. That is if you already have an account, but if you don't have one yet, just create one with your credentials or with your information. And then after logging into your account, go to your homepage or you'll be prompted to go to your homepage. And from the homepage, but first, before we go into the process, I'm going to show you where your mailing address would locate or where you can locate your email address in your email once you are in Mailchimp. So I have here a sample landing page. So this is my sample email here in Mailchimp. And once you scroll down on the most bottom part right here or on the footer section, then I'll be able to see my mailing address. Now this is just a default information or default part of the template that I am currently using. Now, if you want to change what you have on your footer right here, what you are going to do is to go back to your homepage, and from your homepage on the left side bar of your screen under the audience, hit that, and then this options will appear and go to all contacts. Now, once you are in here on this section, again, you'll have different options and just click onto the settings section and then this downward menu will appear. And from here, just locate required email footer content, click onto it, and then just wait and load it for a few seconds. Now, once you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of your information. And this is where you can edit them out. So you have here, you have your name, your contact name, your email address, your phone number, your address, and so on. Now, if you want to change anything in here, you can do so. And once you have added all of your information or change or did all of the changes that you want, what you need to do is to make sure that you hit the save button for the changes to be applied, and that will be automatically reflected on your foot every time you create an email or a campaign here in MailChimp. So that's basically it, and I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.